In today's video, I am talking about small steps to accomplishing your goals. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. The second Tuesday of each month, I bring to you a video where I talk about a simple change that I am making in my life. I participate in this video with Jessica from Jessica My Rose and Joy from Organized by Joy, and I would love for you to check out both of their channels and see what they are talking about today. Today, as I clean out my refrigerator, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I use small steps to achieve my goals. Before getting sick, I was the type of person that I would set a goal and I wanted it achieved then. No matter what, I wanted to set the goal and I wanted to achieve it as soon as possible. And honestly, I think being like that really helped me to fight the fight that I fought in the hospital because of the mindset that I had. However, after healing and getting home from the hospital, I had to decide to set a different kind of mindset. And what I mean by this is in this video, I am cleaning out my refrigerator. I always did this once a week, every week, without fail. And it stayed nice and tidy, and I absolutely loved it. After getting home from the hospital, when I was healing and I could barely get around, cleaning the refrigerator was not even a spot on my radar. I could have cared less what the refrigerator looked like. I did not wipe it down. I just put my items away, or I did not care. There was no organization. There was no nothing. And that over a period of time started to become very overwhelming to the point that I did not want to clean my refrigerator because I did not even know where to start. And so many projects around my home became the same overwhelming task, and I did not know what to do. And of course, with my mind being the way my mind works, I was like, okay, tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and just be back to normal. However, I knew that that would be setting myself up for failure because there was no way, after all I have been through health-wise, that I could wake up one morning and do my morning chores, do all the things that I used to accomplish in a day, walk at least a mile every night, do all these things. I knew that I could not just get up one morning and do those things. So I was like, how can I gradually add these things back in my life? Because now I'm overwhelmed. These things are starting to bother me. The refrigerator needs to be cleaned out. Cabinets need to be cleaned out. My closet needs to be cleaned out. So I decided to start doing things in small steps. So when I say small steps, I mean little bitty, teeny tiny steps. So one day I might clean one shelf in my refrigerator, and that would be the extent of the cleaning that I would do that day. And I started to gradually add things back into my daily routine very slowly. This has been like a year-long process for me to slowly add things back. One day I added in emptying the dishwasher, and I slowly cleaned out my closet. The tiny tidies have really helped me slowly take back part of my life. But I thought I would share this with you because I think we all go through seasons in our life where we are not 100% capable of doing things that we used to do. It might be health, it might be something mental, it might be something physical, something beyond our control, and we do get behind and we do get out of our routine. And when that happens, sometimes we get so overwhelmed we don't even know where to start. And that is when these small steps really help us to get back on track, because for me, it made me feel so good even if I just got one small thing accomplished in a day, I felt so good getting that one small thing accomplished that the next day I wanted to accomplish something else. So I set small, tiny goals and just worked goal upon goal upon goal until I was back doing pretty much what I was doing before I got sick. Do I still have days that I do not clean everything 100%? Absolutely, we all do. However, I am getting less and less overwhelmed, and I'm finding that these small steps really helped me. And so I wanted to encourage you that when you are in a place and you feel overwhelmed and you want things done and you want them done immediately, to take a step back, relax, think about doing small steps. Think, what can I do today to help? What can I change today to help? And you can just take things in small steps, and before you know it, I mean, it might take a long time, but before you know it, you will kind of have things more manageable. And so I just really wanted to share that as I cleaned out my refrigerator. And something a little different from my normal monthly challenge that I do here on YouTube. I usually kind of try out something for a month. I've tried out journaling. I've tried out other things. But this has been something that I've worked on for a year, and I did not want to share it until I could see the benefits of how it was impacting my life. Again, this video is in collaboration with Joy. Joy's channel is Organized with Joy. And Jessica's channel is Jessica Myros, and I would love for you guys to check out their channels. They are both so talented, and they are both dear friends of mine here on YouTube, and I know that they would love to have your love and support as well. So I'm just going to finish putting things back in my refrigerator and my freezer, put on a little music, and then I'll see you at the end of this video.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blah.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.